How to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is actually open up your Insta. After you open up your Insta, head over to the bottom right corner on your profile. After you're on your profile, on the top you'll find your posts, followers and followings. Now to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Insta, just open up your followers and following list. Now here you can see my followers. If I head over to the following list, you can see that not all of my followings follow me back. So that means that not everyone is that I followed has followed me back. So to remove them, you can just compare these two lists, the followers and the followings, and just remove the ones that you want. So here, let's say this account has not followed me. As you can see, this account is not following me, so I just open this up and unfollow it. Tap on the following button and tap on unfollow, and that's basically how you do it. Now there is no direct button, or there is no automatic button that allows you to unfollow people who don't follow you back. So what you will have to do all of this manually, and yeah, this is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.